Welcome to How to Keto. I'm going to be making a cheeseburger using cheddar folio cheese wraps and the Sola 6-neck carb bun, which looks really good. Feels like a regular bun. Hoping that it comes out very good. I just mixed chopped meat with a little bit of taco seasoning, onion powder, salt, smoky Montreal steak grill mates, and some garlic pepper. I'm going to cook that and then probably wrap it in this guy right here. Melt it up good, toast the bun, put it on the bun. I'll let you know what it looks like and tastes like. This is actually day one of my keto reset, so hopefully I enjoy it and you enjoy it. Okay, cooking it in there, and then adding my favorite press, which is called the bacon press, which I rarely use for bacon, but I use for everything else. Push it down, flatten it up, and you'll see what it looks like. Gives you a nice sear on the burgers. I don't know if you can even hear me because it's so loud, but okay. Okay, so that's about an 8-carb burger with the bun. Too well done. Overcooked it a little bit. With the folio cheese wrapped and then dropped in the pan for like maybe 10 seconds on each side and really melted really well. And I'm going to really enjoy this. Bun is pretty good. You can definitely taste like the flour difference, but as far as like a replacement for a burger bun, definitely doable. The burger takes over the flavor of everything. You don't notice the bun that much. Definitely pretty good, and I would recommend it. But I think I would rather use the Schmidt 647 bread instead, or maybe even the Joseph's pita bread. And that's all for that.